Bill Gates is known for his immense wealth and incredible success as the co-founder of Microsoft. His advice for young people who want to be rich is highly sought after, and for good reason. In this video, we will explore Gates' advice and delve into what it takes to become wealthy. Start early. Starting early is an important factor in becoming wealthy. By starting young, you have more time to develop your skills and gain experience. Bill Gates, for example, began coding at a young age, which gave him a significant advantage over his peers. Starting early can also help you establish good habits and build momentum, which can be difficult to do later in life. If you want to start early, you can begin by identifying your interests and passions. For example, if you are interested in technology, you can start learning to code or building your own websites. If you are interested in finance, you can start studying investment strategies and learning about the stock market. It's important to note that starting early doesn't mean you have to have everything figured out. In fact, it's normal to make mistakes and experience setbacks along the way. However, the important thing is to keep learning and growing, even when things don't go as planned. Focus on your passion. Another piece of advice from Bill Gates is to focus on your passion. Gates has always been passionate about technology, and this passion is what drove him to succeed. When you are doing something you love, it doesn't feel like work, and you are more likely to put in the hard work and dedication required to succeed. To find your passion, you can start by exploring different interests and trying new things. This can help you identify what you enjoy and what you are good at. It's also important to keep an open mind and be willing to try new things, even if they are outside of your comfort zone. Once you have identified your passion, you can focus on developing your skills and knowledge in that area. This can include taking courses, attending workshops, and seeking out mentorship opportunities. Build a team. Bill Gates has always recognized the importance of building a strong team. He knew that he couldn't do everything himself and surrounded himself with smart, talented people who could help him achieve his goals. Building a team can also help you leverage the strengths of others and overcome your own weaknesses. When building a team, it's important to look for people who share your values and vision. You also want to look for people who bring different perspectives and skill sets to the table. For example, if you are building a tech startup, you may want to look for someone with expertise in marketing or sales. It's also important to create a culture of collaboration and communication within your team. This can help ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals and that there is a shared sense of purpose. Learn from failure. Failure is a necessary part of the learning process, and Bill Gates has emphasized the importance of learning from failure. When you fail, it's important to analyze what went wrong and identify areas where you can improve. This can help you avoid making the same mistakes in the future and increase your chances of success. To learn from failure, it's important to be honest with yourself and others. You want to identify what went wrong and why it happened. This can be a difficult process, but it's essential for growth and improvement. It's also important to keep a growth mindset. This means seeing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than a reflection of your abilities. With a growth mindset, you are more likely to take risks and try new things, even if they don't always work out. Be patient. Becoming wealthy takes time, and Bill Gates has emphasized the importance of being patient. He has said that success rarely happens overnight, and that it took Microsoft 10 years to become an overnight success. When you are patient, you are more likely to stay focused on your goals and avoid becoming discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. It's also important to remember that success is not always linear, and there may be times when you experience setbacks or obstacles. To be patient, it can be helpful to break your goals down into smaller, more manageable steps. This can help you track your progress and stay motivated. It's also important to celebrate small wins along the way, even if they may not seem significant at the time. Another way to cultivate patience is to focus on the process rather than the outcome. This means finding joy and satisfaction in the work you are doing, rather than solely focusing on the end result. When you enjoy the journey, it's easier to stay patient and persevere through challenges. Give back. Finally, Bill Gates has emphasized the importance of giving back. As one of the wealthiest people in the world, Gates has dedicated much of his time and resources to philanthropy. through initiatives such as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Giving back can help you make a positive impact on the world and create a sense of purpose beyond just accumulating wealth. There are many ways to give back, whether it's through donating money or volunteering your time. You can also look for opportunities to use your skills and expertise to make a difference. For example, if you are an entrepreneur, you can mentor aspiring business owners or invest in social impact startups. Giving back can also help you build relationships and connections with others who share your values and vision. When you give back, you are contributing to something larger than yourself and creating a legacy that can have a positive impact for generations to come. Thank you for watching this video on Bill Gates' advice for young people who want to be rich. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, success is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about making a positive impact on the world. If you want to achieve financial success, it's important to start early. Focus on your passion, build a team, learn from failure, be patient, and give back. By following these principles, you can develop the skills and habits necessary to achieve your goals and create a fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.